Hi Emma, I've actually worked out how to get my microphone working properly, so hopefully you can hear me on this recording a bit better. So this is from your latest notes, which were really good. I really like this version. There's a sort of simple logic to it. It just seems to look right now, which experience has told me that's a good sign. So changes. We have a 45 wide bay and a 60 wide bay here. So we have a 60 wide, two 60 wide drawers here. There is no shoe storage anymore. We've got the waist height hanging and the high shelf. Now you may notice that I've shown a slightly different configuration for the waist height hanging. There is no shelf there now. I never see the point in putting a shelf in the middle of a set of hanging. It just unnecessarily uses, hanging drops. So this is a simple component that just creates the hanging rail. We've got rid of the extension to the wall. I've changed the room. I've changed the room model to show pipes, which I wasn't showing before, so we can't put anything on this wall. Otherwise, this is as it was previously. I like this. I think there's a logic to it, and you've got high suitcase storage over there. Okay, so coughed on the last second. Can't believe it. Right, hope you like it. Speak soon.